Hey everyone, I'm super excited to announce that today, Print for Figma is now available in Figma Buzz. It's super easy to access the plugin. Just go to the Plugins tab, search for Print, and run Print for Figma. In this example, let's create a postcard. I'll select the preset, add some bleed, and some crop marks, and click Create. Now I have a perfectly sized frame for a postcard. Let's add in an image. And now we want to make sure the image is high enough quality for print, so let's go to the Review tab in Print for Figma and check the DPI. We can see we have more than enough resolution, so we're good to go. Now I'll go to the Export tab, select an export preset, and click Export. Now, if you want, you can also add custom color mappings. So here I've mapped RGB to CMY. Then when we export, we'll select the color mappings that we just created. And when we look at our output, we can see that RGB has been mapped to our custom CMYK colors. Try Print for Figma today at printforfigma.com.